Hello, this is a video on the important, tricky topic of rationalizing the denominator of a fraction. In this case, the three examples we've got, they're all on Tassomai questions, are relatively simple ones. So this is a kind of an entry-level problem. Now, we have these surds, these irrational numbers on the bottoms of these three fractions, and for reasons we won't go into, we don't like that, so we're going to get rid of them. Now, the way we get rid of them is basically to square that square root, right? Multiply it by itself. But when you do something to one side of a fraction, you have to do the same thing to the other. So all we're going to do is multiply top and bottom by root 5. 20 times root 5 over root 5 times root 5. Okay? Now, then you can then say root 5 times root 5 is something else, right? A lot of people then go, it's root 25. Well, technically it is, but the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is 5. And so we've got 20 root 5 over 5. And then that simplifies because they're both divisible by 5. And you end up with 4 root 5 over 1. So we're not going to write that. That's it, solved. Let's try the same thing again. You'll see it's exactly the same. 56 over root 7 becomes 56. We're going to multiply both top and bottom by root 7. So 56 root 7 over root 7, which is 56 root 7 over 7, which conveniently enough cancels down to be 8 root 7, the end. The same one again. B over root b, you quite often see them algebraically done, and you'll notice they have a very convenient ending. You get b root b over root b times root b, I'm just going to write it, b. That cancels out, and you get square root of b. So you often see that actually with letters, or even 5 over root 5 ends up being root 5. You could take another look at this altogether and say the square root of b goes into b. Well, how many times? That's the square of that, so it goes in root b times. Okay, hope that was helpful. These questions will be following this video, so thanks very much for watching. Good luck with that.